I'm going to keep it real with you guys, right? There is no holy grail to trading or trading Forex in general. But I'm going to break down in this video what you can do to improve your trading almost instantaneously, okay? Welcome back everyone. If you're new, welcome to the channel. And today, as you can see from the title of the video, right, I'm going to be talking about 3 things that you can do and start using today and start studying, start implementing to improve your trading almost instantly, okay? So, like I said in the beginning, there's no holy grail to trading, okay? I like to be transparent. I want to keep it real with you lot. There is no holy grail. Besides the things that I'm going to tell you in this video, all it really takes is dedication, perseverance, hard work, consistency, and just never giving up, okay? But I'm going to give you 3 things that I've found that has helped me along my journey and that has really improved my trading and changed it and taken it to the next level, okay? So I want you to make sure you stay tuned to the last part of this video. Third thing that I have to mention in this video, the third thing that's improved my trading, improved it drastically, okay? And I want you guys to have this information, okay? So if you guys follow me on my Instagram over at Forex_Loz, you will see that I posted a reel on 3 tips to change the way you trade, okay? But I had some requests to make a video on it to break it down in depth and actually talk about how and why and what it actually is, okay? So let's cut straight to the point, okay? So the first thing that changed my trading, or that will help you change your trading, right, is backtesting, okay? If you don't know what backtesting is, right, it's basically you use a trading platform like TradingView. I'll leave a link in the description, okay? And it's a way you can do bar replay mode, right? I'll show you here. Backtesting, right, is basically being able to do bar replay mode, okay? You pay a monthly fee on TradingView. I'm not too sure how much I'm paying, but it's around, in pounds, it's around $10 to $14 a month, okay? So it gives you this option to bring up this red line. It has replay mode up here, but you can't see it, okay? But what it basically is it allows you to go back in time, okay, and actually replay data. And why is this so important, right? This is so important, right, because it allows you to practice and to gain confidence in the market. It allows you to test out strategies. It allows you to take trades as if you were live in the market there and then, okay? And what I found with this is it builds confidence. It gives you the confidence and understanding of what the market is doing because you have played it out X amount of times. You have tested your strategy, let's say 100 times, okay? You know what you're looking for. It's that simple saying, right? Practice makes perfect. This is literally it. Practicing to backtest and backtesting your strategy and backtesting how you want to trade, testing out what you want to see, how the market's moving, how it reacts to certain key levels, right? Backtesting will literally help you develop all these skills. It will help you develop an understanding of how the market's moving, how your pairs are going to move, and how your strategy is going to play out. And one big factor, right, okay, one big thing with this is if you're testing out a strategy, you can actually find out a win percentage, or you can find out a win rate, okay? So let's say you're trading with a 1 to 2 RR, okay, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. We know that we at least need to be in profit is a 40% win rate. So by back testing, you can figure out what strategy is going to work and what isn't going to work. What's going to give you a better win rate and what's not going to give you a win rate. Not going to give you such a high win rate, okay? And this is so important, right? I used to overlook it. I used to try to avoid it because it can be boring, but set yourself up plans. Give yourself 2 hours, 1 hour a day, 5 hours a week to dedicate to backtesting, right? Because I promise you now, if you can dedicate this time to backtesting the market, practicing your strategy, understanding how the market moves, how it's reacting, how your strategy works and plays out, you will become consistent. You will be able to get an understanding exactly where you need to be entering. You'll be able to completely pinpoint what it is that you are failing on, what you need to improve on. It strips everything away and allows you to get into the core of what you're trying to achieve, okay, in terms of technical trading. Right, on to the second one, okay, and this one is, I feel like this one isn't spoken about as much, okay. I found it hard as a new trader to try and find the best ideas, but this is the second one, and this is what really, really helped, okay. It's keeping a trading journal. It sounds silly, it sounds simple, right, but when you can actually keep track of every single trade you're taking in the live market, whether it be backtesting or just writing down every single trade you take, this will help you perfect everything in your trading, okay? Think about it, if you're writing down a journal, I keep a journal, right? I write down every single one of my trades. What this will do is allow you to keep track of what trades you're taking and where you made the mistakes, or what trades you're losing and what trades you're winning, okay? And a tip for you, right, is to write down your emotions when taking these trades. Write down how it entered, was it part of your strategy? And it should be part of your strategy, okay? But you need to write down what you did, how you felt when you took that trade, how you felt during the trade, okay? And by doing this, okay, if you go by 20 trade sample basis like I talked in my trading plan video, you guys can check out, this will help you to really perfect your trading in a way. Of course, trading isn't going to be perfect, you're going to make mistakes, right? But by keeping an actual log of every single trade you're taking, how you felt, how you entered, how you felt during the trade, how you felt after the trade, okay, you can really start to zone into where you're making mistakes and what you're doing well, okay? And by doing this right, you're literally going to improve your trading because you are keeping track of everything you're doing. And you think, okay, I took 20 trades in 2 weeks. I don't like the results. Let's have a look at what I'm doing, how I felt, where I took the trades, how I took the trades, how I felt during, did I close early, did I close late, whatever, okay? Doing this will help you perfect your trading in a way. It will help you get an understanding of how you're feeling, how you're taking these trades, right? And if you can keep consistent with this, right, you will eventually zone in and you will be able to become consistently profitable, okay? And of course, trading comes with practice. It's not just because you're writing down a journal doesn't mean you're going to be profitable, no. But it means you're able to exactly pinpoint where you're going wrong. Okay, this week I lost all my trades. Let's have a look at my trading journal and see what I was doing wrong, how I was feeling, everything like that. You're going to be wanting to write down in this trading journal, okay? I want to give you guys a goal, right? I want you guys to start a trading journal. I want you guys to, whether it's backtesting or using your strategy in the live market, I want you guys to take 20 trades. And I want you guys to write down every single trade, okay? And if you don't like the results, edit on them. Pick apart where you went wrong and then take another 20 trades and work on it. And let me know how your results are going on, okay? And let me know how you feel about it. And let me know if it's improving, right? Because I want to know that this stuff is working, guys, because it's worked for me. Right, last but certainly not least, okay? This one is huge, okay? It's absolutely massive, right? It's something that is so neglected in Forex or just in trading in general, right? It's psychology, okay? The psychology of trading, the correct mindset you need to be a trader. Many people say they're risk takers, because they trade, they take risks, but really, they're not. They're gambling, okay? You're going to hate me saying this, right? But I'm being transparent. They're gambling, right? To adapt the correct mindset and the trading psychology, it means to understand the risk you're taking, to completely accept the risk that you are taking, okay? We see a lot of traders, yeah, I'm a risk taker, yeah, I'll do this, I'll do that, but really, they're closing trades early. They're closing trades too late. They're letting their losers run and their profits not run enough, okay? So, the trading psychology, one thing for you guys need to do is read some books about it. Study trading psychology, okay? The one person I learned from the most is Mark Douglas, okay? You've got Trading in the Zone, which is one of my favorites, okay? And you can go on YouTube, right? You can find these audio books or you can just study him on YouTube, find the videos, find his presentations, right? But what I did is I dedicated X amount of my time to study psychology, to figure out what is the mindset of a trader, what will help me, what will give me an edge on the market, not just my technical analysis, but what will actually give me the upper hand. And it's psychology. Once I started learning this, it completely changed everything. It turned around for me because we go through all these emotions. Will this trade win? I'm nervous to enter this trade. I don't want to lose this trade. I have to be right on this trade. What happens if I'm wrong on this trade? All of that stuff does not matter, okay? And I'm going to tell you something now, just a little hidden gem, right? If you got to the end of this video, guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Leave a like if you got to the end. Leave a comment if you got to this end part. But this third tip is really going to change some of you guys trading around if you can implement it and study what I'm telling you, okay? One of the things he picks up and says is to think in probabilities. To think in probabilities, it literally means to let the numbers play out. It's to let the probabilities of your pattern you're trading or of your signal that you are trading, your strategy that you are trading, to play out. Let the probabilities play out. The thing I said in the first part of this video was to backtest. To backtest your strategy to find out your win rate, okay? This then links to psychology. If you know your win rate is 30%, okay? The psychology you need is to think, this trade doesn't have to win, but all I know is the probabilities are 30% of the time. So it does not matter if you lose this trade right now. It's about the next 100, the next 200 you're going to take, okay? Stop thinking in the now and then. Stop thinking that this trade needs to be the winner. This trade has to win. No, it's about the next 100 trades you're going to take and allowing the probabilities to play out. I've touched on some real important topics here, and if you guys can implement it, if you guys can study it, take your time to practice, take in what I've actually said, I can guarantee it that your trading will improve instantly, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to see more, leave a comment. I enjoyed making this one because it's being transparent and letting you guys know what changed my trading for me. Like I said, leave a comment if you enjoyed this one, leave a thumbs up, it really helps out, lets me know that you guys are enjoying these videos, okay? And as always, I'll see you lot in the next one.